Okay, now students, we are going to do some of the analysis of the poem, how this poem has been composed by the poet, how the poet has used some figurative language. But before that, we are going to give a reading of this poem again so that we could do the rhyme scheme of the poem. I hope students you are on page number 56 of your textbook. Stanza number 1, I am going to give the reading. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. 'Tis a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark, round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. So we are going to do the rhyme scheme of the given stanzas. Number 1 stanza. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hope you know about the rhyme scheme. How do we usually do rhyme scheme in the class? When we see the last word which has the same pronunciation with the next or the second words with the last word. For example, if we say rain is the first word, if we are going to opt this word, and then do we have the same pronunciation with any of the word rain? I think not. And then with the top and beneath has no comparison with the pronunciation. So top and drop has got the same pronunciation, and beneath has no other word which has got the same pronunciation. Here and near, so these two words here and near has got the same pronunciation. So in the very first stanza we are going to see the very first word of the first line, rain. It does not have any other word which has got the same pronunciation, and top and drop has got the same pronunciation, and then here and near has got the same pronunciation. In the second stanza, the very last word of the very first line, out, does not have any other word which has got the same pronunciation. So we are going to move towards the second verse, stop, and in the fourth line we are going to have the same pronunciation with that word, stop, drop, and stop has got the same pronunciation. And for the third line word fill, we do not have the same pronunciation with any of the word. So we are going to move over to the fifth line, that is bright and sight. So it means that bright and sight, these two words has got the same pronunciation. For first line out, we do not have any same word which has got the same pronunciation, and fill, the last word, fill, does not have any other word to have the same pronunciation. So how we are going to do the rhyme scheme? Let's check it out. Okay, now students, you can see how we have done the rhyme scheme. With the very word rain, we are going to give letter A to it, and then for the next word top, top and drop has got same pronunciation, top and drop. So we are going to give B, and then beneath has got the same pronunciation. No, it does not have. So we are going to give C, and then the last two words here and here of the first stanza has got the same pronunciation. So we are going to give the letter D to it. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza would be A, B, C, B, D, D. Now moving towards the second stanza, we are going to see the rhyme scheme. So the rhyme scheme of the second stanza is completely the same. You can see it because number one word out does not have any other word which has got the same pronunciation. So we are going to give rhyme scheme word A to it, and then stop and drop has got the same pronunciation. We are going to give B to both these words, and then for the word fill does not have the same pronunciation. So we are going to give C, and then the last two words bright and sight has got the same pronunciation. So the rhyme scheme would be D and D. So let's see what the rhyme scheme of these given stanza, A, B, C, B, D, D. This is the rhyme scheme of the poem The Rain.